we are using Max Photonics handheld laser devices? Pretty easy answer. We have the lightest handgun in the world, with the smallest and the lightest machine in the world. We fulfill all the safety standards, and have a look, we have the best welding results in the world.
Hi, my name is Benjamin, founder and owner of BGA Laser Welding, located in Belgium. The MA1 series of Max Photonics offer great versatility of applications over an affordable range of 3 unique models for all types of segments in the industry. With the latest technology on board of every model, Max Photonics is without any doubt the leader in the industry of handheld laser welding systems.
Hi, I'm Tom from Wilkinson Star, and we're proud to represent Max Photonics in UK and Ireland. We particularly like the fantastic weld performance, the bespoke wire feed unit, simple operation and setup for the customer, as well as the fantastic after-sales service support.
Hello, my name is Juan Cadena. I am the president of Codinte Group. We have been working with laser just a couple of years because we see a lot of improvements in the technology, and we decided to work with a premium company like Max Photonics for this market.
레이저용접기는 장점이 많은 용접기입니다. 먼저 가벼운 용접기의 본체 무게, 그리고 가벼운 건의 무게입니다. 건이 가벼움으로 인해서 용접을 할 때, 작업을 할 때 부담이 없고 무리가 가지 않게 효율을 높일 수 있습니다. 두 번째, 맥스 레이저용접기는 잔고장이 별로 없습니다. 용접을 하면서 잔고장이 없기 때문에 용접을 끊김없이 계속 용접을 할 수가 있어서 효율이 좋습니다. 더군다나 냉각 방식은 공냉식 냉각 방식으로서 냉각 효율이 좋아서 더욱이 용접을 연속적으로 작업할 수가 있습니다. 이런 맥스 레이저 용접기를 많이 사용하고 있습니다. 감사합니다.
We are a company from Slovenia